Hi, this is Mary Bell. I'm the Assistant Director at the Wilbraham Public Library, and today I'm going to show you how to access videos and ebooks for kids using Hoopla. To get started, go to our website, www.wilbrahamlibrary.org, hover over eBooks and Media, and click on Hoopla. Log in using your Hoopla account with your username and password, your email and password. If you haven't already created an account, I suggest looking at our Getting Started in Hoopla video. That'll go through all the steps of getting this started. So now I'm logged in, and you can see at the top it says Boston Public Library. So what I can see in here and how many titles I download might actually be different from what you would see as a Wilbraham Public Library resident, but it'll work in a very similar way. To limit to just kids, I'm going to go over here right to the right of the search box and click on kids. And you can see when I do that now, this little checkbox is here. So anything that I search is going to be limited just to things for younger audiences. There won't be any adult titles in my search now. So let's search. I'm going to click in the box here and look for Mo Willems. And in our 15 results here, you can see most of these are movies, animations of his book. As I scroll down, there also is an ebook biography. And what I want to click on is Don't Let the Pigeon Drive the Bus. So now I have a little bit more information, a description of it, some of these tags over here, and I can borrow it. Now a little box comes up and I just want to hit Borrow Title again. It'll be available for 3 days. And right here, if I want to start playing the video, I can just hit play, and the short little video of Don't Let the Pigeon Drive the Bus will start. There's ebooks available as well, and one of the ways that you can get to other content is by following these tags. I kind of like the idea of a read-along, so why don't I click on that and see what else I get. You can see there's over 3,000 titles now, some movies, some ebooks. There's even one of Frozen 2 that's in there as a read-along, and you can see that I've actually already downloaded it. So now if I hit resume, it'll come up and start showing me the book, as well as having an option to play the narration up here on the right. So it'll actually read and highlight each word as we go along. As I close back here and it takes us back to Hoopla, now I'm going to go to My Hoopla and show you what I have currently borrowed. It's going to show me both the movie and the book that I can resume where I was. And then if I wanted to see what else was checked out, if I had some titles for adults, all you have to do to go back to that is go back up to kids here, click on that, and now that it's unchecked, you can see all of the things that I have checked out right now. So that's a little bit about what you can find in Hoopla for kids. Check it out, try a few searches, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions.